Happy holidays from Lucia's Vegan Lifestyle. I'm here with Papà Chef and we're gonna make
mini panettone.
Panettoncini. Papà Chef and I are going to make vegan, gluten-free panettone. Dad, this is not really our kind of recipe, right? This is more a northern Italian recipe.
That's right.
So have you ever made?
No, I never made. We just tried today.
Okay, we're gonna experiment.
Hope it comes good.
In Papà Chef's hands, I'm sure it will. Under mine, I don't know, but we're trying this out. We're gonna take this warmed almond milk, and into it we're gonna pour half of the sugar.
2 tablespoons.
1 tablespoon of gluten-free all-purpose flour.
Okay. We mix together.
So now we can put that aside, and that's our starter.
That's right. Okay.
Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to make the rest of the mixture. Using gluten-free all-purpose flour,
Caster sugar,
1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a teaspoon of xanthan gum. We're going to put them into the Cuisinart. So that's 4 cups of gluten-free flour.
sugar, and mix the baking powder.
And the xanthan gum.
Now we mix together.
Now what's the next step?
Put the butter.
Okay.
Vegan butter.
Right, of course.
And we're going to cut a little piece of this way he sprays even.
Okay. All right. And now we mix this until it's crumbly. That's a good crumbly consistency now?
That should be.
Okay, good. So now what we'll do is we'll pour in the starter. And our flax egg. And now we're going to process this until it forms a stiff batter.
Check it out.
Okay.
I think it's pretty good.
Nice.
It should be okay.
And so now what we're going to do is we're going to pour in a cup of currants and 1 tablespoon of rum.
So,
So now we're going to take this dough and we're going to cover it with saran wrap and set it aside for an hour while Dad and I catch up.
okay.
We are back and our dough has risen, and we're now going to take these individual mini panettone cups and fill them up.
Nice.
So Dad, please do the honor.
Okay, thank you. I'll scoop it out with a spoon.
Wow, I got that on the first go. Look at that. I am my father's daughter. Okay, so that's smoothed out. Okay. So now we'll take these and we'll wrap them loosely with saran wrap and we'll leave them for another hour to prove.
And then we're back.
Thanks for tuning in to Lucia's Vegan Lifestyle. I'm here with Papà Chef.
Buona festa.
Happy holidays and Happy New Year. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, tap the subscribe button now. Tap on notifications to be the first to know when a new episode or content drops. Level up with LVL and live your best vegan life.